Hello guys, mga action, back to the action. Welcome back to Cesar's Active Life channel. Medyo matagal ako nawala dahil naging busy sa kung ano-ano mga ginagawa. So ngayon, balik tayo ulit sa ating Active Life. So for today, medyo konting exercise lang muna, pampakondisyon. So guys, let's enjoy life and let's continue to be active, to do whatever we want in our life. Especially after retirement, huwag tayo mahinto. Continue lang galaw-galaw. So let's keep ourselves busy. So bawal yung higa ng higa, maghapon, magdamag. Kailangan bangon-bangon at galaw-galaw, kilos-kilos. Enjoy life. Enjoy sports. So thank you pala for watching and please subscribe and continue to watch. Bye-bye. Subscribe and continue to watch. Bye-bye.